Hello guys, today we are talking about the strong performance of the AK cranes. Probably not everybody knows that HS.MARINE cranes can hoist the load even in the most unfavorable condition. For instance, when the first boom is fully raised or when the boom is oriented towards the bottom. We don't restrict the crane operation in a limited sector. Just pay attention that you always need to keep the first cylinder just a little bit extended. Otherwise, the limiting moment device can't detect the oil pressure inside. And remember that if you fully raise the first boom and you exceed the SWL of the crane in that position, the limiting moment device will activate and it will inhibit all crane movement. In this position, you can't lower the first boom. So, how to come out? The limiting moment device doesn't inhibit the boom in, so no worries. Just pull the lever of the telescopic boom so to give pressure to the system, and meanwhile lower the first boom.